Chapter 10. Heritage Sports and Games. Sumo Wrestling. Sumo is a traditional Japanese style of wrestling that is exclusively practiced by men. Wrestlers, known as sumotori, aim to force their opponent out of the ring or onto the ground. Weight gain is an essential part of the sport, as heavier wrestlers have an advantage. Training involves a strict diet and intense physical workouts. Sumo tournaments in Japan attract large audiences and are deeply rooted in cultural traditions. Gostra. Gostra is an unusual and exciting sport played in Malta, where competitors run up a large greasy pole to snatch a flag at the end. The pole is slanted over the water, making it extremely difficult to maintain balance. Many participants slip and fall into the sea before reaching the flag. The sport is part of Malta's annual village festivals and has historical significance. It is a test of agility, strength, and determination. Caber toss. Caber toss is a traditional Scottish sport where competitors dressed in kilts attempt to throw massive wooden cabers. The caber, resembling a long tree trunk, must be flipped end over end in a straight line for a perfect score. Strength, balance, and technique play a vital role in achieving a successful toss. The sport is a highlight of the Highland Games, a celebration of Scottish culture. Spectators enjoy the thrilling display of power and skill. Bossaball. Bossaball is an innovative sport that combines elements of football, volleyball, and trampolining. It is played on an inflatable court with trampolines in the middle, allowing players to perform acrobatic moves. Music is an integral part of the game, creating an energetic and entertaining atmosphere. The sport originated in Spain and has gained popularity worldwide. It is a fun, high-energy game that requires agility, coordination, and teamwork. Camel racing. Camel racing is a thrilling sport where camels, guided by jockeys, compete at high speeds. It is the national sport of the UAE and has been a part of Arabian culture for centuries. Traditionally, young riders would race the camels, but now robot jockeys are often used. The sport attracts thousands of spectators, and major races offer substantial prize money. It is a symbol of heritage and pride in the Middle Eastern region. Muay Thai. Muay Thai is a traditional martial art from Thailand, known as the art of 8 limbs. It involves the use of fists, elbows, knees, and shins, making it a highly effective fighting style. Originally developed for military combat, it later became a popular sport. Muay Thai is a key part of Thai culture, with fighters undergoing intense training. Today, it is practiced worldwide as a competitive sport and for self-defense. Fun fact: cockfighting was practiced by Greeks before a battle in order to stimulate warriors to brave deeds.